Hey, welcome back everybody. Alright, well, so welcome back everybody. Well, some bad news. That battery still isn't here yet. This is killing us. Anyway, we're still expecting that battery, any day now, but it did not arrive in time for this weekend, so we can keep doing the good work here with the Phantom. So I'm going to have a little something different for you guys this week. I'll still have the normal Phantom Fun Day upload that'll happen on Sunday when you guys get to see this. I'm also going to have a nice release later in the week featuring this guy. He is going to go for a ride in one of the warbirds that tends to get seen from time to time whenever we're here at the hangar. So he's going to have a really good little adventure. And for all those of you that also enjoy the DCS content, he's graduating high school next week. So I'm slowing down on the DCS content only because we got a lot going on here at the house, at home. And got family coming in. It's just not enough time to get all this stuff done on DCS and on the channel that I'd like to get done, but for a darn good reason. So we got so that's what's going on. So if you guys have noticed that I've slowed down a little bit of the content, that's why. Ooh, I hear a big engine. Nice. I'm sure that'll be taken off here shortly. So while we continue to wait for the battery, this it has given us the time to go through all of the shop stock, like nuts, bolts, fittings, seals, a lot of this stuff to both catalog and just see what we have and just organize it. We've been pretty busy knocking a lot of that stuff out lately while we're waiting for a battery for the lovely lady behind me. It's not like we've been busy with stuff. It's just not terribly exciting stuff. It's not like working on the Phantom. It's not as exciting as that, I feel, but still getting some good work done here at the hangars regardless. I think it's about time to get over to the museum and put Bonk in the air. This is gonna be fun. What do you know? Another big engine. Now for some other updates, We're still waiting on parts for the ejection seats right here. I haven't heard anything new on that, but we're still trying to acquire some parts for the seats so that when it's time, we can reassemble them and get this jet back in the air. I haven't heard anything new, like I said, but fingers crossed we can source up some parts for these. If there's anything that'll keep her on the ground, seat parts, kind of need those to fly. We're also still looking at what's going on with the right main gear. We got some good ideas as to where to dig into so we can get a good gear swing. Like you see right now, she is not up on the jacks, but we do have the mule tapped into PC2 so that whenever the battery comes, we can put power to this thing, get the hydraulic mule going, and we can cycle all the flight controls, do PC1, and then move on to PC2, and then once everything's good to go there, we'll bring her back on the jacks and move her up and address the gear. After that, get a good gear swing, we'll tow her out and do engine checks. So that's going to be fun. So that's something you guys can look forward to in soon. I'm starting to notice whenever I give time frames that it doesn't seem to happen. It seems to be a thing with aviation, but it is what it is. It's one of those things. This battery has really kind of hurt us as far as that goes, and we're still waiting for it. So once it's here, we can continue moving forward. All right, so our goal is still to get the F-4 in the air. We don't have any other plans currently for our other aircraft like the F-100, the TA-4 here, or the Huey. The ME-262, that is still airworthy currently, and that maintenance tends to happen during the week when I'm not here, obviously with the camera. The 262 is actually over at our local flight museum, the same museum where Bonk got his ride in the Stearman, which I'll throw a few clips from that video in this one for you guys. But that video will be its own upload later in the week, something I mentioned earlier, and that'll be a good one because that kid came back with an ear-to-ear grin on his face. So that was awesome. Anyway, it's about all I got for this week. Like I said, not a huge amount going on. We're still catching up with some of the ground power maintenance and still waiting for that battery. Definitely do plan on doing more for you guys. Just this coming week is going to be pretty rough. Got family coming in for his graduation. I'm gonna try and do what I can, but the DCS stuff is kind of on hold, like I mentioned earlier. But you guys can look forward to more of the Warbird content when I do pick that back up. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.